Assalamu alaikum everyone. For our group 1, we discussed exploring avenues for climate finance diversification, and the main discussions were how Pakistan has had very less UNFCCC linked funds, you can say, access, and what we can do that, or we can facilitate the government and the private sector specifically, that they can access UNFCCC funds but also non-UNFCCC funds. And one thing we discussed, and we think it's really important, is the capacity development on non-grant instruments. A lot of the times the discussion is on grant financing. The projects at provincial levels are also designed on grant financing, but if you want to involve the private sector and if you want to access these funds, I think especially also for these funds, when it's blended finance, when it's other financial instruments, that's also like sort of your project gets prioritized over there as well. So really important that capacity development on non-grant instruments, and also like a little bit of discussion on we can say risk financing as well. So yeah, mechanisms like contingency funds, insurance schemes, catastrophe bonds, which are designed explicitly for immediate response and recovery. So that is really important. Finance inflows and outflows and budget tagging. Pakistan is also legally obligated under the Paris Agreement to report on that, but also with the enhanced transparency framework, we have to report the inflows and outflows of climate financing. But when we have a report on the inflows, outflows of climate finance, the donors, they sort of have more confidence on you as well, because there's more transparency. So in the long run, that will also support in accessing finance. So, and another, like, I think we were supposed to say just 2 points, but the third one we thought really important is green taxonomy. And because this green taxonomy will also support in designing the financing products in the long run, and we need it at a national level, but also if we can divide it into sectoral levels as well. So yeah, thank you so much.